Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website with ads. Start with a clear plan for your website's purpose and audience. Registering a memorable domain name is crucial for branding. Next, choose a hosting provider that offers good uptime and support. Then install a user-friendly content management system like WordPress. Focus on creating valuable, original content that keeps visitors coming back, as this forms the foundation for successful advertising. High-quality content is king for attracting visitors. Research keywords to understand what your audience is searching for and create articles, videos, or images that answer their questions. Optimize your site for search engines by ensuring fast loading times and mobile responsiveness. Building authoritative backlinks from other reputable sites will significantly boost your visibility. Once your website has consistent traffic, it's time to integrate ad networks. Google AdSense is a popular choice, offering various ad formats. Carefully place ad units where they are visible but not intrusive, such as within articles or sidebars. Always adhere to the ad network's policies to maintain good standing and ensure a positive user experience. Regularly analyze your ad performance using the analytics provided by your ad network. Pay attention to metrics like click-through rate and earnings per 1,000 impressions to understand what's working. Test different ad types and locations to find the optimal setup for your audience. Continuously improving your content and user experience will lead to more traffic and ultimately higher ad revenue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.